You have seen our sales team for many years now. You have also met our claims team in the previous series. So, have you ever wondered who's in charge of our workshop? Nothing can be accomplished by a single individual, as you are all aware. Hi, I'm James here at VAuG. In today's episode, I'm going to show you our very strong and dedicated team members who are supporting us at VAuG Workshop. The first point of contact for all vehicles sold by VAuG, regardless if they are new, used or leased, will be by our customer service advisor. They make sure that you, the client, get the finest level of support possible. Our service advisor responsibility include responding to your inquiries, answering questions about products or services, suggesting new items, handling feedbacks, reporting problems, and so on. Then there's me, the workshop manager. My team of more than 10 mechanics are in charge of ordering replacement components, scheduling vehicle repair, and fixing the vehicle. For me, I oversee the daily operation, calculate the length of time needed to complete a job on a vehicle, and also work with my foreman to train new mechanics to be the best of who they can be. For our mechanics, they service and fix the vehicle, replace worn-out parts, check the engine and other parts of the vehicle, and diagnose vehicle issues. Finally, if an accident is involved, our claims team will come in to help you with your accident report and communicate with the insurance on the claim settlement. They know the full range of accident claims process and procedures. They assess accident damages and prepare estimates. During the repair at the workshop, they will conduct vehicle inspection on body and paintwork repairs and quality checks. So, you can see that we are really a team who takes care of your automotive needs. Whether it is simple routine service or a major repair, you are assured peace of mind here at VAuG Workshop. I hope this series of videos have given you a much better idea of what we do behind the scene. Do like, subscribe, and give your comment if you have benefit from our video. Once again, I'm James. You have a great day ahead.